For the most part, Damon, Mandy, and Abel were bound by pinky swears and 12 years of bus stop wisecracks. Like most kids, they made their grades, hung in there, and spent one meaningful time together atop Mount Royale with Abel and his grandfather. Damon grew up in a hyper-conservative single-mother household. His family celebrated a proud Greek heritage by constantly observing holidays on days different from everyone else's. Mandy and Abel called him Dame. But when he instigated his form of endless calamity, they'd call him out as "Damn it, Dame." Damon's life was pre-fated. His name was a costume that hid the truth, delivering the exact opposite of the true meaning of his moniker. His ill-fitted name, Damon, meaning gentle, was his life's reward, thanks to the love of his mother.